The ingredients we're using today are onion, jalapeno peppers, tomato, coriander. These are the base of many dishes in Mexican cuisine, and they're the base for two of the dishes we're gonna do today. So we're just gonna chop everything and we'll start preparing. First, we need the avocado for the guacamole, and I'm gonna show you how to open an avocado. I've heard it's a common problem in Europe, in the US, that people get hurt. Just cut it like this. This is a beautiful avocado. Take your knife, use it to get the seed out, just like that. You hit it, you twist it a bit, it comes out very easily. Once we remove the seed, I like to do these small cuts on the avocado. I'm basically making a grid, and this will help us when we remove the avocado, put it into a plate, and we're gonna smash it. So it's just basically making your life easier, especially if the avocado is not quite there, as it happens sometimes here. So you can take just a spoon, and you'll see it's already cut. Now we'll take the whole avocado and throw it into a bowl or some soup plate or whatever you have, but it's better if it's rounded because it's gonna help for us to smash it. Now we just have to smash it, and I'm gonna switch to a fork to start doing this gently, and you'll do it as long as you want. Some people prefer it a bit more chunky, some people prefer it like more homogeneous, so just continue until you feel like the texture is right and you're happy with it. For me, this is perfect. You'll see it has still some chunks in there, but I think that's perfect already. And now I'm gonna use some milk, and this milk is gonna help us to make it a bit more creamy, a bit runny, so it mixes nicely with the other ingredients, but it will also help us to delay the normal oxidation that avocado has. So you will notice that you will be able to leave it longer outside, and it won't become black as fast. You know, this slightly brownish dark layer it starts getting after a while of being outside. And now we'll start to season. We'll use some salt. I'm gonna use also some pepper. You can use some dark pepper, black pepper. I use a mix of them. And just mix it nicely so it reaches everywhere. Mix it nicely with the milk so you don't see like some watery in there. And now we start mixing. We'll just start putting the jalapenos in there. You can put more or less ingredients depending on how you like. I like a lot of onion. Some people don't like it so much. Some people like it more spicy. Put a bit more jalapeno. If you find some serrano chilies and you like it more spicy, you can use serranos instead of jalapeno, or some other chilies you like. We'll put a lot of coriander. Coriander gives a lot of freshness to it. And some people use tomato on their guacamole. It's not a perfect recipe of it's just one way. Some people make it with the tomato, some people make it without it, and at least in my family it was always without. I've met some Mexicans that always use tomato, but you can do it however you like. And to end, you'll just put a bit of lime to have some of this acidity, balance the flavors out, and it also helps with the oxidation. So there you have it. Perfect guacamole, really fresh, really good as a snack, as a side dish, or however you prefer it. Now we're gonna make the pico de gallo, or salsa as people know it, and this is very fresh, very simple. We use the exact same ingredients. We just start with tomato as a base. We're starting to add some onion, some coriander, some jalapeno. We'll just put everything in the bowl. This is very simple. We'll just start mixing all the ingredients together, and Look at all those colors. I mean, it looks bright, it looks fresh. And we have to season our salsa now, and we're just using pepper. I'm using this mix of pepper. You can use whatever you prefer. I'm adding some salt to it, and I'm also going to add the lime juice because it keeps the acidity, and it also removes some of the strong taste of the onion, so it's quite nice. So if you like this video, press like, subscribe, hope you try it at home, and if you have any questions or comments, just write them below, and I see you in the next one.